Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? I just got done unboxing this bookcase I'm about to put together. So I'm going to briefly show you exactly what you get when you take everything out of the box. Everything ships in this box right here. So these four are going to be the shelves. Essentially these four parts right here. These four parts right here. This is going to be for the cabinet, storage cabinet. These are going to be the top and the bottom. These are going to be the sides. Essentially this part of the unit. These are the metal side rails right here that create the structure. These are the sides right here. This right here is the cabinet back. So that's going to be the back part inside the cabinet. And these right here are the cabinet doors, which is going to be the front of the cabinet. Of course, this is the instruction manual right here. Here are the caster wheels. Two of them lock, this one and this one, and these two do not lock. And here you have all your hardware that are individually bagged, so identifying the correct hardware is going to be easy. And here's the Allen key that they give you to complete the assembly. And all of the part numbers can be located on the sides of the boards. So I anticipate maybe an hour, maybe hour and 10-15 minutes to put this together, but I will show you the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. I was doing a quick review for this bookcase that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembling it, right after assembling it, is that this is pretty awesome actually. First of all, I love the color. It's got that sort of rustic wood color to it, as you can see here, mixed in with the metal here, so it has that industrial feel to it. Personally, I'm a fan of this type of style. If you come down here, it's got two storage cabinet doors for one large cabinet down here, and the way that it locks, you can see that there's these metal tips right here, and they fasten to these metal parts right here. So the door installation is really easy. I know that door assemblies are kind of difficult for some people because they have the hinges, but these ones don't have hinges. They have these plastic tabs that go in between the top and the bottom right here. So nice, easy close. Now let's talk about the shelves. So as of right now, the shelves are fixed, but if you look to the side here, right, you can see that there's holes here and there's holes here as well. So if you wanted to, you can unscrew the screws, 4 screws on the side, and take the shelf out, and you can move it up or down. So essentially they're adjustable, but you do have to unscrew them, and they do leave you an Allen key right here for you to do that. So altogether, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and 3 of them, not including this top one, you probably want to keep that where it is. 1, 2, 3 can be adjusted. Now right now, towards the bottom of the bookcase, there are plastic leveler feet. So if you have maybe uneven floors, you can just twist whatever's not touching the ground so that it is even. Or you also have this option right here of these caster wheels, in which 2 out of the 4 are locking and the other 2 do not. Now as for the assembly, it did take me about an hour and 15 minutes or so, and it was actually relatively straightforward. So there's a total of 8 steps. The 8th step is if you want to change out the plastic caster wheels. You can see here, you can just screw these out, and then you can put the wheels on. And then step number 9 is mounting it to the wall. But for right now, we're not going to mount it. But one thing I like about this instruction manual is they don't jam pack a lot of different steps into one step. So everything is pretty straightforward. Like this one, it's very clear. You're just adding the metal magnet to the top. This one, you're dealing with the doors. This one, you're installing the cabinet, so on and so forth. But altogether, I really like this bookcase. It's compact, the shelves are adjustable, it has nice storage cabinet on the bottom, and the assembly didn't take very long. And it has the rustic and industrial style to it, which I'm a big fan of. So I highly recommend this bookcase. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.